guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called BAGAMOUR and it is a handbag subscription. So this one comes out quarterly, and quarterly it's like $55, or if you do an annual subscription it's $199, plus I have a pretty decent discount for you. They gave me, I think it's $40 off if you sign up for the annual subscription, which, you know, I thought was pretty good deal. So anyway, they did send this to me, and like I said, this is a newer company. So what you get is 2 bags, and you can choose from different styles. They have the everyday, the classic, and the boho-chic. So everyday fashionista is going to be trendy, but you know, I don't know, stylishly unique. Classic is going to be more of your traditional sort of pieces, and then the boho chic is going to be a little more on the funky side. So I chose boho chic, and while I don't think I would ever actually describe myself as boho, that description actually spoke more to me because it was just a little more funky, a little more, you know, not your normal everyday kind of stuff. So anyway, what they send you is 2 different bags plus some accessories. So the accessories they sent for this one is this cool scarf that's gray with little birdies on it and tree bits. You know, it's cute, and it's the kind of thing that you could wrap around yourself like a little shawl, or tie around your purse or something, or wear as a scarf. I don't know. Things like this I feel like are just useful in all sorts of ways. I used to have a convertible, and so I had a scarf similar to this in my car at all times so that I could wrap it around my head like this and not give myself crazy convertible windswept hairdos everywhere I went. And then I got this thingy in here, which is the Naked Bee, and it's got a hand and body lotion, an ultra rich body butter, and a lip balm in it, and they're all grapefruit blossom honey. So I've been carrying around the lip balm in my pocket because I love this stuff. It's awesome. I like grapefruit. If you don't like grapefruit, this may not be the thing for you, but it's not super grapefruity. You know, it's got that floral and honey thing going on it to make it just a little bit sweet. But it does smell really, really good. The lotion is quite nice. The body butter, I don't think I've actually used the body butter yet. Body butter is basically just a thicker version of the lotion, and they all have that same wonderful, sweet, grapefruity scent to them. Oh, it smells fantastic. And then a thing of just pony holder little hair ties. These are the kind that, you know, are cloth and stretchy. I have a bunch of these. These are great. And then a little selfie ring light. So you put this on your phone and it doesn't cover up your selfie camera. And then it has 3 different settings of brightness. And then you can, you know, take selfies and have better lighting. Tiny little ring light. So those are the accessories, some fun stuff. And then the actual bags. The first one is this very simple tote. It's just gray faux leather. It's nice, soft, pliable. The inside is beige. There are no pockets, no zippers. It is a very simple, plain sort of a tote. You know, you could use this bag for any manner of things. And then the other one is this cutie patootie little red bag. This one has zippers and some fun stitching on there. It has 2 pockets, and inside you have a zipper pocket on this side, and then a non-zipper, just open pocket on this side with this kind of chocolate brown cloth lining. I love this. I think it's absolutely adorable. It has the 4 little things on the bottom, so you can sit it up like this. And it has the little handheld handle, Dumaflachi thingy, or it actually came with 2 different long straps. So you've got the red to make it more, you know, classic looking, and it's adjustable, so you could do like a crossbody thing. It is small enough that it would fit like that, or just over your shoulder. Or this fun, funky, this one to me is definitely more boho strap, that it's just colorful and wide and fun. And I love that it came with 2 different straps, so you've got a more classic style or a more funky style, or you can just carry it like this, and I think it's so super dupes cute. So that is the fall box. So much fun stuff. I'm loving this. I can't wait to see what else this company comes up with. So if you are interested in checking this out, if you're a handbag lover, or hey, this would make a great gift for somebody you know, I will leave all of the information in the description box, as well as my discount code, which again gets you $40 off the annual subscription. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!